Hello, and welcome to Lighthouse Tarot, where we embrace the light within ourselves and within others. I'm your host, of course, Willow Riley, coming back at you with a new video. So in this video, we're going to talk about a crystal that I hold very close to my heart, and I feel like a lot of people don't know the history of this crystal or how to use it. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Today, we're going to be talking about Dalmation Jasper. So this is known as Dalmation Jasper or Dalmatian stone. It comes from the Chihuahua section of Mexico, and the reason it gets its name as the Dalmatian Jasper is you see we have those little flecks on here, those little dots. That reminds you of the Dalmatian puppy. Yes. So what you can use Dalmatian Jasper for is to connect to your inner child and let go of restriction and bitterness. If there's someone you're holding resentment for, this is a great stone to get that out of your energy. You can also keep this in the corners of your room and your house to bring in good energy, to have an equilibrium, to balance out the energies in your house. If you feel like there's too much energy in this room or there's negative energy on it, you just put each stone in the four corners of your room or the four corners of your house, and you'll watch that energy transform. This can balance, I already went over that. This has the ability to help with moderation. If you're someone who has been an addict or you're someone that kind of like indulges too much, this will help with moderation. This also has a physical aspect. It will help you with your digestion regulation. Who doesn't want that, right? It brings playful energy in your life. Like, I know whenever I have this stone and I'm kind of going, it can help you stop reacting in anger, kind of slow down and respond. And if you're feeling kind of angry or bitter or resentful, just roll the stone in between your hands and you're going to feel your energy start to calm down. This is a very calming stone, and it is a stone that works with longevity. So it isn't you're going to get it like Moldavite and right away everything's going to go whoosh. It's kind of like this is a slow, gentle energy, and slowly over time you'll notice yourself like you're more adventurous, you're more playful, you're more fun, exciting, even flirtatious, and you just don't take life that seriously. This is one of my favorite stones. My birthstone is amethyst. I'm an Aquarius, but the Dalmatian Jasper has always called to me, and that's why I learned about it the other day. The last thing I want to say about Dalmatian Jasper is it will help you appreciate your family and bring in a loyal partner. This is a very loyal sign. So if you want someone that's ready for marriage or wants a long-term commitment with you, that's what the Dalmatian Jasper is going to help with. It also helps you appreciate your family and friends around you, to really like appreciate and feel gratitude for, you know what, this is a really good friend. I've been friends with this person like 10 plus years, or, you know, I love my sister, my brother, my mom, my dad so much. And the Dalmatian Jasper just kind of brings that in with ease. So that was my video on Dalmatian Jasper. Make sure and get you one at your nearest crystal shop. And as always, I'm open for birth chart readings and tarot readings. If you guys want to hit me up, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.